We're on to the pie graph wake hours, and this is basically the exact same thing as what we just did as far as the data goes. So here's my rubric, and basically what I'm going to be doing is taking the information from the previous lesson. So this was an example of the previous lesson. I take this information and put it into a different type of graph. So I'm going to make a new Excel file, and I'm just going to make two columns, one that has the event, or the thing I'm working on, and one that has the minutes. So I have 45 minutes of religion a day, so I'll put in 45, and then religion, 45 minutes of science, and 45 minutes of, we're going to pick PE, and 44 minutes of lit. Looks like everything is going to be really boring because this is going to be all about the exact same amount of time. 44 of math, 25 for lunch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a couple more to go. 46 of history and 46 of English. And we're just going to leave it off that, and then I'm going to say I have 120 minutes of sports practice. So this is my table. Go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit so we can see a little bit better. So after I have my table done, I need to make a pie graph or a circle graph. So I took the information from the other one, highlight the information I want to use, and then go into the home menu, home ribbon, and charts are not in the home ribbon. To change things around. Insert, there we go. And I'm going to pick a pie graph, doesn't really matter which one, a whole lot. And that didn't work. That is not what you do, small bear, apparently. Let's flip this around. Let's put our numbers on the other side. Highlight and insert pie graph. There we go. That looks a little better. So I have the basic part of it done. Now I'm going to check over my rubric and see what is required to have in here. So back to the rubric. Labels are created for each event. I don't have labels. I do have a key down here, or a legend, so I guess that counts. At least 8 events are included. We have more than 8 minutes for each event are included. Pie graph is created. Data labels are shown for each portion. I don't have that yet. And data labels also include percent. So basically all I have to do now is click on my graph, talk you through what I'm doing. Click on my graph, 2-finger click, go down to Format Data Series or Add Labels. Let's do Add Labels for now. And I can't see those very well. It's gray, at least on this one. So I'm going to change this particular one so I can see it better. So I have my minutes added in. I'm going to go to Format Data Series. Nope. I'm going to go to Format Data Labels. There we go. And I'm going to also get my percentage shown. And so it should show both my percentage and my amounts. It didn't do it for this one, so we're going to add this one in also. Format Data Series. Did it again. Format Data Labels. And it's not wanting to include my 120, so I'm going to back up and undo a few things. I changed that particular one, and we're going to get them all highlighted. Format Data Labels. Add in my percentage. Now I'm going to go change the color of this one so it sticks out a little bit better. Okay, if I'm going to go through this, I have labels created for each event. Okay, that's what these are. At least 8 events included. We do have 8 minutes are included. Pie circle graph created. Data labels shown. Percents shown. Looks good. One thing that I might take off, though, is you have a chart title called chart title right now. So I could put a real title in there, or I can just delete it. Either way, it's not required. Something else I might want to do with this is blow up the circle a little bit bigger so I can see it better. So that is it for this assignment then. So you can save the Excel file. You can save it if you'd like. This has the table. This has the chart, the graph. You can save it either way, or if you want to, you can Shift Command 4, get the crosshairs, draw a picture of it, and hand that in, or the Excel file either way. So that is it for that assignment.